Hey girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the November and December mystery boxes from Double Dip Nails. This is a really delayed video, but I'm finally getting around to unboxing these two for you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the November surprise mystery box. This is the deluxe mystery box, which is the biggest mystery box that they have. They do have two smaller mystery boxes if you don't want something as big as this one. You can also use the code KCMystery and that will give you a free dip powder color with your mystery box purchase. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. So with the mystery boxes, they do give you some stickers. These are all like super random, but they're all pink. I really do like getting all of these stickers in the mystery boxes. I have to say this is my favorite sticker in this mystery box. I feel like I'm always hungry, so I really like that one. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue looking at all of the other stickers. I did actually get two of the same sticker, but honestly, that's okay with me. So here's the insert card for the November surprise mystery box. Feel free to pause if you would like to read it, but I'm just quickly showing it for the video. Let's just start by taking out all of the confetti paper. There was one more sticker underneath that paper. I just need iced coffee. I love iced coffee. So here are the three dip powder colors that came in this month's subscription box. I love these colors, especially the middle one. That one is a limited edition dip powder that they've been talking about. I will be swatching these in just a few minutes, so stay tuned if you would like to see the swatches for these colors. The next thing I'm showing you are the nail stickers. These are the autumn leaf nail stickers. I did use one of these in my New Year's themed manicure, which I'll link right here if you haven't seen that one. You also get a really nice rhinestone picker. I love this one. I love the color of it and it's really nice quality. It has like all of these really pretty rhinestones in the middle, and these are just really good to pick up rhinestones with. You have like this little pointy end right here, and you also have this little wax type material tip. So that is the rhinestone picker. We also got a marble nail palette. I really like this one. I've been wanting one for a while, honestly, and I love this one. I love blue. They do have the gray one on their website, which I will try to link everything down in the description, but keep in mind a lot of these mystery box things are only for the mystery boxes. So yeah, I'll link what I can, but that's the nail palette. They also sent some nail art brushes. I actually have some very similar to this, like the whole like set thing. I got mine from Amazon, but I do really like these. If they have them on their website, I'll link them down below. But these are just good for doing nail art and other things. They do have a lot of varieties, so you have like really small pointy ones, and you have like more like brush sizes. You have the striping brush, a dotting tool, like the fan brush. You kind of get everything that you need for nail art. I'm just kind of waiting to do the box last, but the next thing they sent are the nail swatches. These are stiletto ones. I'm so glad that they sent stiletto ones. They usually send like the little short ones, but I love the stiletto nail swatches, so you get these to swatch out your dip powder colors with. This is really important in my opinion, just to make sure you have all of these swatches for your dip powders. The next thing is a big box of like nail art decorations. These are really nice. I love the box. These are not just like rhinestones, they're kind of like pearls and other like shapes, and you know, you get a bunch of different stuff with this kit. I will be opening it in just a few minutes. So here are the three dip powder colors that came in my mystery box. If I'm not mistaken, they do change out some of the colors, but they do try to keep the mystery color for the mystery boxes, so everyone should get that one. I'm just going to be swatching these with the dip base, which is number 2. I am going to be swatching them on the nail swatches that came in the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and do the nail swatches. So unfortunately for me, these nail swatches are like the opaque ones, which means that I have to swatch on the top side of the nail swatch. Honestly, I usually try to swatch on the inside with the clear ones, that way I don't have to file and shape after the application. It just makes swatching a ton faster. But yeah, you can swatch it this way. I just prefer to swatch the underside of the clear ones. As you can see, it's a little bit too big to stick in the jar, so I'm just going to take my cuticle pusher and pour the dip powder over top of the nail swatch. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and swatch out the other two dip colors as well. I am going to take the double dip French tip dip powder tray and I'm going to be pouring the glitter dip powder into this. The reason I'm using this is with chunky glitter dip powder, you do need to push the nail swatch down into the glitter instead of like dipping like usual. So that is why I'm using this, so I'm able to push the nail swatch down into the glitter just to make sure to pick all of it up. So once I have the dip base, I'm going to go ahead and push the nail swatch down into the glitter. I am going to tap away the excess and make sure that all of the glitter is pushed down flat against the dip base. As you can see, I did get some in the other dip powder color. I did manage to get that out, don't worry. So I did 2 layers of those dip powder colors and top coated. I did try to buff, but honestly the glitter one is still kind of rough. I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. So let's go ahead and take a little bit of a closer look at the rhinestone box. So these are like individual little box containers inside of the bigger box. So I'm just going to quickly show you all of the shapes and stuff that comes in this kit. So that's what everything looks like in the decorative kit. So let's take a closer look at the nail stickers. As you guys have known, you already seen this in the New Year set, but these are really pretty. I love the metallic like reflectiveness of these. So we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at the nail brushes as well. Again, I do have some similar to this, but I really love getting nail art brushes. You can never have too many because after a while of using them, they do kind of mess up. So it's really nice to have new nail art brushes. So those are the nail art brushes, and here is a closer look at the rhinestone picker. Again, I really love this one. I'm not sure what the little pointy end is for, but this other end here is kind of like a wax type material and it easily picks up the rhinestones. Here's a closer look at the nail art palette. This is so pretty. I feel like it's not too heavy, but it does feel like nice quality. As long as you clean it after you use it, you shouldn't have any issues with this. So that is everything that came in my November mystery box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the December mystery box. So again, this is the deluxe one. This is the biggest mystery box that they have. I was super excited for this one because I felt like it's gonna be super Christmas themed. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So inside this one, they do have like red and green crinkle paper, which is super cute. It matches the Christmas theme. So here is the December surprise mystery box insert card. Feel free to pause if you would like to read it. I'm going to go ahead and take out some of the crinkle paper. A lot of the stickers in this mystery box were like mixed in with the paper. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find all of the nail stickers that came in this mystery box. So here are all of these stickers for this month's mystery box. They're not Christmas themed or like holiday themed, but I really like them, especially this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the other items in this mystery box. So here are the 3 dip powder colors that came in this month's mystery box. I am so excited to try this middle one here. This is like an emerald dip powder color. So yeah, again, I'll be swatching these in just a minute if you would like to see the swatches for this month's mystery box. So with this mystery box, you also get like a chrome powder pigment. This one is number N902S. It's a 1 gram jar chrome pigment jar. I personally don't use these a whole lot, so I'm not going to be swatching this one, but it looks like a silver type of color. These are really pretty though, especially if you love like metallic nails. So you do get that with this mystery box. You do get some nail stickers. These are like fireworks. I do think they were kind of trying to prepare for New Year's theme, so you get those. With this mystery box, they did include some stamping plates. That just gives you a big hint of what the other items are. So these are the stamping plates. I'm trying so hard not to get my face in the shot because these are super like reflective. You do also get the nail swatches for the dip powders and the eyeshadow applicator for the chrome pigment. So this is the actual stamper. This one is is like a really skinny one. I haven't seen one like this before. This one also comes with another stamping plate. These are just like jelly stampers that you can pick those images up with. Here's another sticker. I thought this one was kind of funny. So here is the last item of this mystery box, and this is a really pretty holographic like book, and this is to store those stamping plates in, so I think that's really nice. Let's go ahead and swatch out those dip powder colors for this mystery box. The first one here is the mystery color, so everyone that got this mystery box should have got this dip powder. It's a really dark reddish brown type of color. I think this one is really pretty. The next dip powder color, I'm super excited. I love these types of like blues and greens and minty type colors. So this one is called Emerald. This is a really light blue greenish color. This next one here is a glitter, and this one is called Snowflake. I actually seen quite a few people using my discount code to purchase this one, so I'm really excited that I get to try this one as well. So I am going to be using the dip base, which is number 2, to swatch out all of these dip powder colors. Again, sadly, because these are not the clear nail swatches, I am going to have to swatch on the top of the nail swatch, which again, I'm not a huge fan of, but honestly, it's okay. Just a light buffing after the dip powder application is enough to get a decently smooth surface. Again, because this is a glitter dip powder, I'm going back with the French tip dip powder tray, and I'm going to be pouring that into the tray. I am swatching the darker dip powder color last, and I would recommend that you do that as well, because some of those pigments can get in the dip base and ruin the lighter colors, so that is why I'm swatching that one last. And here's the glitter swatch. I actually really love this glitter dip powder. I'm super excited to try it out on my nails. So I am going to be doing 2 layers of these dip powder colors. After applying the top coats, here's what they look like. The darker one looks a lot different in person. I'll try to get a different color shot of it, but I really love the glitter and the emerald color. I think they're super pretty. Let me know which is your favorite down below. I'm going to quickly try the stamping because I haven't done stamping on my nails in years, so I'm going to try this just to see if it's a little bit easier than last time. So this is the stamper here. These are really squishy silicone type material things to pick up the nail designs with from the stamping plate. So this is one of the stamping plates. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the blue film that protects the nail stamping plate. So here's what the stamping plate looks like. If you don't know, these are kind of like really slight engravements inside of the metal thing, and you just apply your polish over top of this. I don't have stamping polish, so I'm going to use some regular nail polish. This is from one of the gel polish and nail lacquer sets. I'm just going to place a little bit on this snowflake. Then taking the scraping card, I'm going to gently remove the excess polish. Then taking the stamper, I'm going to roll it to pick up that stamping design. And this is what it looks like. Not too bad at all after not stamping for years. After picking up the design, you're going to roll it onto your nail to transfer the nail polish onto your nail. That's what it looks like. This is not bad at all. I really like this. I played around with it. It looks kind of bad, like it's not a good nail design, but I do really like how this stamper works. So that is everything that came in the November and December mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!